Alright, so look, I know my hair is wild and shit, but fuck all that. So look, I'm over here talking and shit, and I asked this nigga, I was like, wait a minute, nigga, you had 2 wings in the thing before you left. Two wings. And I'm like, where the wings at? Look what she did, bro. She put 2 fucking wings. Who the fuck puts 2 wings in the refrigerator? I can't even put these bitches in the microwave, man, because these bitches, 10 seconds gonna be hot. Fire. This nigga put 2 fucking wings. And they're just so proportionate in the middle of the... Boy, I almost dropped my goddamn wings. I almost dropped my 10 fucking wings, nigga. I can't even get jiggy with this shit, man. 2 fucking wings. 2 wings, nigga.